Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, August 28, 2020 on our channel. Let's go. First news today. Trane announced the Sintesis balance pump. Trane announced the Sintesis balance pump, latest addition to its innovative portfolio of multi-pipe units for simultaneous cooling and heating. The fourth generation of Trane's air source multi-pipe units raises the bar in sustainable, efficient and flexible delivery of cooling and heating in buildings. Simultaneous heating and cooling by one single unit eliminates the need for separate boiler and chiller systems to fulfill buildings' cooling needs in the summer, heating in the winter, or both throughout the year. This offers building owners of multifunctional facilities like office buildings, hospitals, theaters and hotels reduced investment costs, better use of floor space and lower total operating expenses while significantly improving the sustainability of their operations. The Trane uses renewable and recovered energy for the production of hot water and can replace the existing fossil fuel boiler and chiller system to deliver both chilled water and hot water for the entire building with no direct greenhouse gas emissions. This contributes to decarbonization of buildings and creating better air quality in and around the building. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. AIRAH survey to uncover opportunities in commercial HVAC maintenance. The University of Wollongong, UOW, is conducting an online survey of HVAC technicians and contractors who service office buildings around Australia. The survey will help UOW support the Australian government in understanding the industry and shape future policies and programs. Well-maintained HVAC systems function better, use less energy, produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions and boost comfort for building occupants, says AIRAH CEO Tony Gleeson, M.AIRAH. What you do on the job has a big impact on how they perform. The survey is particularly focused on work done in older, smaller and poorer quality buildings. Our project leader Dr. Chantel Carr explains that although Australia is a world leader when it comes to larger and premium commercial buildings, there is a lot of room for improvement in the mid-tier. Thanks to initiatives like the Commercial Buildings Disclosure Program and rating schemes such as Green Star and WELL, we know that the top end of town is in great shape. But the majority of commercial buildings in Australia don't fall into this bracket. We have a blind spot when it comes to how the rest of our building stock is performing. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Advansor Technical Training Online. Advansor Online Technical Training and Co. are very popular, and with good reason. Company offer basic technical knowledge about Co. systems and fill you in on the best practices. The training is conducted by experienced after-sales engineers Lars Horup Jensen, Mads Skondorf Kort Jensen, Jan Baumer, Thierry G. and other skilled colleagues who are all cool with Co. and eager to let you pick their brains. Check the updated program here and join online technical training in Co. systems, available in English, German, French and Spanish. https://www.advansor.dk/n/technical training online. Fourth news today. Emerson names Jamie Froedge leader of commercial and residential solutions business. Emerson announced that Jamie Froedge has been named executive president of its commercial and residential solutions business. Froedge, who most recently served as president of Asia Pacific within the company's automation solutions business, will join Emerson's office of the chief executive. He replaces Robert T. Sharp, who served in the role for 4 years. Froedge joined Emerson in 2006 as vice president of marquee accounts in the network power business, having previously served in similar global leadership roles with both IBM and Hitachi. He moved to acquisitions planning in 2012 and was appointed Vice President of Acquisitions Planning and Development the following year. In this role, he worked closely with Emerson Chairman and CEO David N. Farr, the Office of the Chief Executive and Board of Directors in 2015 and 2016 to help transform the company's portfolio through strategic acquisitions and divestitures. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Parker Sporlan Supermarket Seminar. Parker Sporlan presents the 11th webinar in the Supermarket Seminar Series. Jim Jansen, Senior Application Engineer, and John Whithouse, Senior Principal Engineer, will discuss what is refrigeration. Part 1. Have you ever wondered how supermarkets keep beer cold, ice cream frozen, and all other perishable food nice and fresh? During this webinar, we will discuss the basic principles of the thermodynamics involved with the vapor compression refrigeration cycle in a fun and easy to comprehend way. You will learn the meaning of temperature, pressure, enthalpy, vacuum, British thermal units, and much more. You will learn why things become cool, cold, or frozen through the transference of heat. Please join for the first of a multi-part series on the basics of refrigeration science. Parker Sporlan Webinar, What is Refrigeration? Part 1. Thursday, September 3, 2020. 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time, US and Canada. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.